When security matters, rekeying is the smart first move. This client needed to restrict access to their property after a key holder change. So Lock the Smith UT upgraded 4 critical entry points, including 2 quick-set smart key keypads. Instant security without full hardware. Replacement smart key convenience maintained with new pins. Complete audit trail of who can enter and when. Need to lock someone out legally and permanently? Lock the Smith UT specializes in swift, discreet rekeying. Call today.
La vida es un carrusel, carrusel, carrusel.